This is the Nothing Ear 3. Incredible headphones. I have had no issues with them at all. They open up. Beautiful design. Love everything about them. Here's the talk button for the super mic. It's USB-C. So it's really nice. Wireless charging compatible as well. So far I've had no connectivity issues with these and they sound great. I really, silicone tip, plastic exterior like that. Really nice design. They connect right away. I've had no connection issues whatsoever. But here's a little key ring. You could put like something through there and try to hook it on. I definitely recommend getting a case to try to put these in. But nice overall, good quality.
不洗脚肯定臭啊！
这里说来挺搞笑的，一个浪区的夫妻。